Hey guys, it's Jamila Michelle, and today we are making Bang Bang Chicken. Of course, I'm starting with the sauce, and I used about a cup of the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo sauce. I'm adding a teaspoon of rice vinegar. You can use rice vinegar or white vinegar. After that, I just take about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes and I mix it all together.
Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. Don't mesmerize by that.
Now I'm just taking a teaspoon of white pure cane sugar. Next, I'm taking about a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. This is because the Bang Bang chicken is known for being sweet and spicy, and this is going to give that nice, soft, sweet taste. I'm also going to add just a teaspoon of white vinegar for an extra kick and just mix that all in. And then I'm just stirring and I'm going to let it sit on low heat so it can thicken. Now we're starting with the chicken. So I'm taking about a cup of cornstarch. I'm putting it into a bowl. I'm also taking about 2 eggs, whisking those together. And we're going to start with our crispy chicken. So now I'm just going to take about 4 pieces, nice sized pieces of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I first start each piece by cutting off the excess fat. I hate cooking with fat, so I discard it in a separate little bowl. Next, I'll just take the actual piece of chicken and cut it into nice chunks. I don't like them to be in perfect sizes, but I also don't want them to be too small. So nice thick chunks because they do cook down. And I do this for every piece. I've got my cornstarch over here and my chopped chicken chunks. And now I'm just tossing the chicken in the cornstarch. I want to cover all the chicken in cornstarch. I just wanted to get this shot. This was really hard to do while holding my phone in the other hand. So I did put my phone down and finish tossing the chicken in cornstarch. And then I just seasoned with even amounts of pepper and salt. And just finish tossing that around. That's the only seasoning I use when I do this process. And then we're gonna get ready to go ahead and fry them. So after I toss my chicken in the cornstarch and have seasoned it, I place all of those coated pieces of chicken inside of the egg that I whisked up, and then from there I put about a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil in a pan, not a deep frying pan, and I just move the chicken from the eggs right into that hot oil so that they can start frying. And I don't fry them super hard, but just get them nice and crispy. And with this, you want to make sure your chicken is fully thawed out so that it can cook all the way through. When I do this, I make sure that each piece of chicken that's frying, it gets golden on one side before I flip it around, and then I make sure it's golden on the other side, and then just kind of move them around so they can get golden brown all the way around, and that's how you know the chicken is cooked nice and thoroughly.
You make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it like that. I love it when you move like that. Turn around and throw it back, get back, get back. Rippers out in Vegas, New Orleans too. Bodies just don't shake like the sailors do. Scullions on the toes, they not one but two. Now I'm snapper two. Look at all the cash I blew.
So after I finished frying the chicken, I washed out the frying pan and started to coat it with butter. I also let this butter sit in here while I pour my sauce in. This butter helps thicken the sauce as I let it cook really low. I did add a little bit more sugar just to give that nice sweet and spicy taste to our bang bang chicken. And from there it was perfect, so I went ahead and poured in our golden brown chicken bites. And I just take 2 little spoons and I toss this chicken around every which way until it's perfectly coated in this sweet and spicy bang bang sauce. And this is a great snack or appetizer or even a meal because it's a good amount, especially if you're using 4 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken and you're chopping it up. It's a good amount of food. I just pair this with white jasmine rice and chopped green onions. I hope you guys enjoy this bang bang chicken tutorial and your food comes out lovely. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you back next time.